Hello guys, Jan Victor po, and welcome to another episode ng ating series dito sa 30 Days Photoshop Tutorial. So for today's topic, we're going to talk about how to use the perspective warp tool here in Photoshop. So let's begin. In this example, I have a image na medyo low angled siya. So a perspective warp tool allows you to change the perspective angle of your certain image. For this instance, I wanted to have a more straighter look or heads-on shot doon sa picture ko. So by just going to edit and then perspective warp, click. I'm just gonna click and drag from that point to here. Kahit saan naman actually. Kasi pagka-release mo niyan, you can now click and drag yung pin nodes o yung mga nodes dun sa may corners. I'm just gonna put this node dun sa may kanto. Yun, nakalagay na siya dun. Click and drag dito. Ayan. Madali lang siyang gamitin. Click and drag. And then once you're done putting the wires o yung nodes dun sa positions nila, accordingly, you can just click the warp here sa may options. And then you can click either one of these three. Automatically straighten near vertical lines or straighten vertically or horizontally. So if you click this, there you go. So nag-straight siya and then horizontally. Yun. So mas makikita mo yung billboard, mas straight na yung paningin natin. So let's click, once you're done, just click enter or tap enter sa keyboard. There you go. And of course, it will give you some, transparent background dito, unwanted background. So that you wanted to just crop it, click and drag using the crop tool. Kakrop ko na lang yan. And then here we go. We have a straighter look ng ating image. Okay, so another sample here is, for example, you have this photo, assuming you're an architect na nirender mo itong project na ito using your computer, like about 3 or 4 hours, kasi matagal mag-render pag gumagamit ng mga 3D applications. And then suddenly, during your presentation, a client of you or a colleague of you suggested na aside from this view, kunwari gusto nyo i-straight or palitan yung view ulit, well, it's a matter of waiting another 3 hours, tapos mag-edit ulit using the 3D application, so matagal. But using this perspective warp tool, you can just simply go to edit, perspective warp, click, and then let's form a box or the warp rectangle here. Click and drag, and then arrange them accordingly. So my corner, this one. Okay, syempre hindi ko siya ilalagay doon, no? Diyan. Then yan. So mababa. Tapos ko ng content, there you go. And then you can just simply click warp. And then click and drag the nodes. Ayun, parang lumingon ka ng konti pa kanan, no? Well, if you're gonna do that using your 3D Max or your SketchUp or V-Ray, it will take time. So bukod doon sa pwede nating galawin yung perspective warp tool, no, using that box like those warp box, no, pwede nating baguhin pa yung perspective angle ng image natin by using two warp box. How? Or ano nga ba yung ibig ko sabihin? Ganito. Just going to edit perspective warp, click and drag ko itong portion ito ng building, and then I-adjust ko ulit siya accordingly. And then, using another, or by clicking and dragging ulit dito sa gilid, no? And then, yeah, mapapansin nyo parang magka-highlight siya sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, pag binitawan ko yan, didikit siya automatically, no? And then, you just only have to arrange again the node there. Ayun. So, parang nakabuo ka ng parang kahon, no? Nung 3D. Hindi naman siya 3D kasi dalawang side lang, no? You can just click the warp here, no? And then you can hold down your shift, hold mo, then i-click mo yung stem sa gitna, click mag-yellow yan or mag-indicate na selected siya, click, and then once na it's been clicked, pwede mo nang bitawan yung shift mo, and then you can just try to pull yung either yan or yung taas na node or sa baba, and then you can see, pwede nyo baguhin yung angle. No, hindi lang siya pwedeng gamitin para mag-straight, but yun, you can imagine a straight photograph, no? Pwede nyo siyang i-manipulate, no? Of course, there's the limit. Hindi mo pwedeng i-stretch siya ng ganyan, hindi masisira, mas magdi-distort siya, no? So minor adjustments lang, right? So ito parang kumabig ka ng pakaliwa, no? Or kung gusto mo kumabig pa kanan, there you go. No? So saan nga ba madalas ginagamit ang perspective warp tool? So most of the pictures or all of the photos I've shown earlier ay mga bahay, buildings. So when it has something to do with the architectural stuffs, no, may mga box, may mga parang kahon sa background, anything na may building, yun, pwede niyong paglaruan yung view niya. Or if you have, if you're working on architectural sector, engineering sector, and then you have your drawings and mock-ups. You wanted to have a heads-on shot dun sa mga perspective renderings na pre-provide sa inyo without using any 3D rendering program. If you wanted to have a look at a certain angle, nung konting minor change lang pagdating sa angle, you can definitely use this tool. So yun guys, sana nakatulong itong topic nito sa inyo or magamit niyo sa mga future projects ninyo. And if you think that this topic is helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel para mas updated kayo sa mga iba pang mga tutorials na may upload ko sa mga susunod na araw. So once again, thank you for your time and see you ulit sa mga susunod na topics. Bye-bye!